Have you ever woken up and felt like your life is moving, but you're not? Like everyone else has a manual for life, and you didn't? That quiet fear whispering, what if I never figure out my purpose? If that thought has ever crossed your mind, this is for you. Being lost isn't just confusing, it's exhausting. You start things, stop, try again, doubt yourself, repeat, and slowly you begin to believe, maybe I'm not meant for anything great. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Feeling lost isn't failure. It's the start of something real. Purpose isn't something you magically find. It's something you build through action, curiosity, and growth. It's in the things that make you lose track of time, the struggles you've survived that could help someone else, the moments that excite you, even just a little. Sometimes your purpose is hidden in your pain. Maybe you struggled with confidence. Now you help others find theirs. Maybe you faced rejection. Now you build something that proves it's not the end. Maybe you felt invisible. Now your voice is the one others need to hear. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man who changed career paths 3 times in 5 years. First, he followed what others wanted. Then he tried something safe. Finally, he chased his passion and failed. He felt behind, confused, embarrassed. But one day, he stopped asking, "What is my purpose?" and started asking, "What problems do I care enough about to solve?" That simple question changed everything. Your story is not random. It's data. Every experience, every failure, every small victory. It's shaping you. So, how do you start? Not by overthinking, not by waiting for clarity. You start by doing, trying, failing, learning. Follow curiosity, not perfection. Explore what excites you. Question what drains you. Stop comparing your journey to others. Someone else's chapter 10 will always make your chapter to feel small. You're not behind, you're just early. Feeling lost means you care. It means you want more. It means you're searching for meaning, and that is powerful. One day, everything confusing you now will make sense. The struggles, the delays, the uncertainty, they're not holding you back. They're preparing you. Trust the process. Take one small step today. Purpose isn't found in a single moment. It's built every single day in the small choices you make. If this spoke to you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and drop a comment below. And if you're ready to find your purpose, subscribe. You're not alone on this journey.